Alright guys, so today we're gonna do an unboxing of a few kitchen items. It was my birthday the other day, so I have an Our Place pan from my girlfriend. And then we went in on an Immersion Blender and I got myself a coffee scale. Let's start with the small thing, lead up to the big pan. Start with the blender. If he starts crying, you want to leave and then come back when he's quiet again? Okay, sorry about that. It's my family. So yeah, immersion blenders, great for soups. You can blend soup in a blender as well, but typically you want it to cool down. Let's check this bad boy out. So this even says for household use only, so it's not gonna be one of those professional kitchen models that you can blend like 20 liters of hot soup. Okay, so nice and simple design, which is what I like. Right on. Next up, we got our coffee scale. So I've been using just a regular kitchen scale for my coffee, and it's not very precise. If you're an espresso head, obviously you want to be very dialed in to the gram. So I got myself one of these finally. It's a digital coffee scale, like a warranty booklet. Very nice design. You got a silicone pad here that you can probably peel off and clean easily. This thing's beautiful. Very simple design. I'm quite minimalist when it comes to the design of kitchen products. Just put your charging cable. Very cool. So this coffee scale can go up to 3 kilograms. The smallest increment is 0.1 grams, which is fine. That's what I want. And it's rechargeable. And now, the big boy, Our Place pan. This pan really caught my interest because of the fact that it's titanium. I've never cooked with titanium before. I know that titanium is very hard metal, which means that it's going to be much more resistant to scratching, and it's non-stick, right? That's nice because when you scratch a non-stick coating on a pan, it loses its non-stick qualities. In the past, I used Teflon. Not a fan of that because it's carcinogenic. I've also used ceramic non-stick pans, which aren't ideal because some of these pans can't get to a very high heat without damaging the coating, and the coating is silicone coating, which isn't terrible for you, but just for your information. I wouldn't have bought this pan myself, I don't think, but I love gifts like that because I feel like the best gifts are the things that you might want in your house, but that just don't seem worth it to you, right? You figure out how to open it though. If you're a professional cook, these purchases, I don't think I've ever regretted a purchase for anything kitchen related. Just invest in what you love to do, right? So here it is. Very nice packaging, not surprised. So this is called the Always Pan Pro. It says it's oven safe up to 535 degrees Celsius. So I wonder if there's a non-stick coating on here. Yeah, so here you go. It's constructed without a coating. Because silicone, usually you can't take silicone above 500 degrees, and even that can be pushing it. There's what it looks like. That's the top. Then you've got your spatula. And you've got your pan. So there you go, look at that. It's beautiful. You got that nice little hex pattern that you see on some nice pans. Yeah, this is a gorgeous pan. Very heavy. Made so you can rest your spoon right there. Very cool. So yeah guys, that's it. That's my little unboxing for today. Couple cool new gadgets for the kitchen. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.